today?
Today we're gonna check out 5 cool things about Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
From Dollar Tree.
5 cool things. Are you guys excited?
Yes. I'm actually
Okay.
super excited.
This video is not sponsored by Dollar Tree. This is just for fun, and these are honest reviews. Okay, so here's the bag, and the first thing is this. Do you know what this is?
Magic flying sheet, it says. Magic flying sheet.
This is like a magnifier. But the good thing about this is that you can actually do so many cool tricks. Look, this is so cool. You have a wire from a hanger to see your head, and you glue it with a glue gun, and you put it on.
2 times.
Put it on the king.
It's me, guys. Let me see. Oh!
It feels like it's moving when you do this.
Hi guys, my face is here.
Give me.
You can make this out of a box and wrap foil on the outside, and you also need this.
Yeah. Can I wear it?
Yeah, put it on. Let's see how Donna looks. Donna?
Face.
Giant face. Ahora Christopher. Otra vez ponlo tú, Kikin. Ponlo tú.
Seriously, me? Why do you want me to wear it?
Ándale. Put it on, Kikin. Whoa.
Face is big. Donna's face is big. Your face is big. Your face
Isn't that cool, guys?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Ow. Ow.
And then there's another cool trick you can use this.
What?
Check this out.
And then you put this right here.
Look, guys, is this cool?
This
Jen's
is
cool.
And then it looks like this.
Boom. So guys, this is how you do it.
This is how it looks.
Yeah, look. You can make a bigger screen out of it. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Sounds really cool.
Okay, let's continue. More cool things about Dollar Tree. The next cool thing about Dollar Tree is
Clay.
clay. You can make a lot of things out of clay.
You can make
made
a
my
lot of
unicorn
things out of clay.
We made the
This is one of
horns,
the things.
and the unicorn horn. Just paint it. So clay is really cool.
Clay.
Let it dry and you can make a bunch of things. Aquí quien abre la boca.
What else?
The third thing is this.
Whoa, actually I want to open this so bad. I've always seen these, but I've never had one.
Can you explain what it is, Kikin?
It's like this giant, weird, really hard thing to break. You have these 2 tools. You use this part right here to smash it, and then when it's all dusty, you just get this part. You dust it off, and then I don't know what you.
Oh, and then you put it in water. It's hard to get out.
So it's an activity toy that you use to dig or explore whatever it's inside. And it's actually really cool. Sometimes there's dinosaurs, sometimes there's different things.
Smash it. Use this.
Con el hammer, Kikin, dale con el hammer. You need patience, guys.
Can I scrape it? What can I have that?
Ooh,
Wait.
I should have got more.
I know. How is the flow?
Okay, Nicole and Christopher can continue working on the excavation while we review the next items, okay?
Okay, but I really want to do this still.
The next item is similar to that one. It's a science item.
What? Science? What is this?
Show it to the camera, Kikin.
We don't know what it is, but here.
Read it, read it.
Okay. Crystal tree. Air what? Air bear and crystal. So
It's in Spanish. Abre en cristal, something like that.
Abre and cristal. So it's a tree right here.
It's a crystal tree. After 24 hours,
I really want to.
it grows crystals.
I actually want to do this one. Because that one's cool. This one's cool. Because it's a Wait! Whoa! It's also crystals or...
Look, there's a tree.
I don't know what it is.
I think you put it here.
So it's
Oh
a
yeah.
big tree.
No. So then it turns into a crystal. So then you
Ah,
put it there.
and then you put the other one. No, it's like kind of chopped up. So now we put that one down. We did it, guys. We did it.
There.
Okay, there. Now we put crystals in it. I think it's showing to put crystals on the sides of it.
Okay, we can do that later. Let's continue with the next item. The next cool item from Dollar Tree.
There and now it's going.
Are you guys liking it so far?
Yeah, it's actually exciting.
The next item is actually something that you like, Dana. Slime.
Oh, this is the reason I want to make one. No, I'm opening
Who
it.
doesn't like slime?
It's not opening.
Show it to the camera, everyone.
Dino slime. Dino slime. But Christopher's not 3 years old though.
Don't get it dirty.
You can't. We need scissors.
Oh, look.
Wow, beautiful. That's like the most pink slime I've ever seen.
Wait, let me get the rest out.
There's more?
Yeah. Okay, that's
This is
Oh, it's so beautiful.
This is the water.
Wait, let me. Look. It looks so beautiful.
Yeah.
Look,
Look, jiggles too. It's jello,
Let me
guys.
see, Dana.
Yeah,
It's jello.
Whoa, that's actually cool.
Open the dino one.
The pink is my favorite color. Here's Ayo. You wanna open the Ayo?
Let's open the other one.
Okay.
Let's see.
And plus,
Whoa, Kiki, you're gonna love this.
Let me see. Wait, what? It's actually red. I didn't think it would be red. I thought it would be green. Whoa!
You mix pink glitter.
What? Pink glitter?
I mean pink unicorn.
I have unicorn.
Have you touched it?
Okay, Kikin, what was your favorite item from Dollar Tree?
It was the slime. This one.
If you had to choose one, just one, what was your favorite one?
This one.
What about you, Dana? What was your favorite one?
The unicorn slime.
Unicorn slime? What about you, Christopher?
You like the slime?
Dinosaurio, tú, Nicole? My favorite was the Magnifier. The Magnifier was my favorite. Okay, that's it. Tree. Let's say bye to the video. Whoa, what happened, Kiki? What happened?
I'm trapped.
You're trapped.
The only way I can get out is everyone to like and subscribe.
Subscribe so you can untrap Kiki.
Yeah, I actually need help. Help me, please.
How can we help you, Kiki?
By hitting the subscribe button and the like button. That's how.
Okie dokie. Dana, you look so funny.
Yeah. That's why I don't like telling you.
Alright, Kiki. Okay, bye. Baila, Kiki, baila. Hey. Go, Nikki, go, 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 go. Hey, 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 eat the fan.
Thanks for watching Cumber Kids TV. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button and the like button. And check out our merch. Check out our merch. Merch. Our video merch. Like and subscribe. Like. Subscribe. I don't even know what this is, but yeah.
What do you think you're gonna find there, Kiki, inside? A gem.
You can see the gem. What gem? Wait, never mind. That wasn't even a gem. That was fun. I finally see something. Just need to dust it off. It's right there. I need to see what it is, so I'm gonna carve it off.
Whoa.
Out. Whoa! We got it out. What is
See,
it?
let's show it.
A golden thing. I don't know what it is. Janos' stem. Janos, what? Thanos' gem. Thanos'
Whoa. Was that fun, Kiki? It took him like 3 hours.